Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make circle craft. To begin, gather your essential materials. You'll need various types of paper, sharp scissors, and a reliable compass for drawing. Don't forget a ruler and a pencil for precise measurements. Also, think about adding decorative elements like glitter, stickers, or even small beads to enhance your design. Having everything ready makes the crafting process smooth and enjoyable, setting the stage for your creative project. Now that you have your materials, let's create some perfect circles. The best way is to use a compass, allowing you to draw precise circles of any desired size, from 1 inch to 10 inches in diameter. If you don't have a compass, simply trace around everyday circular objects like cups, coins, or lids. Once drawn, carefully cut out each circle using sharp craft scissors, ensuring smooth edges for a professional look. Precision here makes a big difference. With your circles cut, it's time for the fun part, assembly. Begin by arranging your circles into a pleasing pattern or shape on your workspace. Don't be afraid to experiment with overlapping and layering them to create depth and visual interest. Once you're happy with the arrangement, securely glue or tape the circles together. For best results, use a strong craft glue and allow adequate drying time, typically about 15 to 20 minutes, for the adhesives to set completely. Finally, let's add those finishing touches and prepare your circle craft for display. You can enhance your creation by adding embellishments like small beads, colorful buttons, or elegant ribbons. For added durability and protection, consider applying a clear sealant, which will also give it a polished look. Once complete, mount your finished craft on a sturdy backing, such as cardstock or a small canvas. Now, proudly share your unique circle craft with friends and family.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.